So it's Tuesday night, tomorrow's Valentine's Day. I'm home alone. We already celebrated our Valentine's if you saw the other date night video. Bad day at work, a lot going on, a lot of drama, a lot of work, different things like that. You know, we all can't have every day be roses and cherries and beaches, so we'll get through it, that's good. And so, did a little research, YouTube University, reading blogs and stuff like that, and I'm feeling Italian garlic tomato sauce-y tonight. So what we're gonna do in the cast iron is we're gonna do a homemade tomato sauce, fresh basil, mozzarella, pepperoni, and chicken. We're gonna do like a bake. It's gonna taste like a pizza, but it's not gonna be a pizza because, it's not gonna be a pizza because there's no crust and there's no bread. And it's gonna be low carb and semi-healthy. Pepperoni, mozzarella, it's low fat mozzarella. And here we go! Intro with Cooking with Josh. All right, so we're gonna cut up some fresh garlic. Got some garlic here. I'm gonna break these heads of garlic apart. All right, I'm almost done chopping up the garlic. I know, I'm not chopping it up the right way, but you know, it is what it is. Just having fun, trying to be a little healthier. I bought some chicken breast, boneless, skinless, thin slice chicken breast. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these chicken breasts and I'm gonna salt and pepper them. Black peppercorn grinder. Sea salt. I'm gonna get this living basil out. Oh, I love the smell of basil. I love it. What I think I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna do a couple like whole leaves and then I'm gonna do some chopped up basil. I love basil, especially with tomato sauce, mozzarella. It just smells fantastic. I'm just gonna break them into littler pieces here. Is littler a word? That was the Metallica part of the video. What do you think about that? Watch and see me cut my hand off, cut my finger off. Oh, holy moly, it did something. Crushed tomatoes, 28 ounces. All right, friends, it's go time. Cast iron, medium heat. Let's check. Oh, yep. Cast iron, a little bit of extra virgin. You know I like that. Why is olive oil so expensive? Somebody answer that question. Leave a comment right now. Why is olive oil so expensive? And in the other meantime, we're gonna put a little bit. It's not healthy, but it is delicious. So we are going to do a sear, like 4 or 5 minutes per side of our salt and peppered chicken breast. Let's go. Well, the pan is heating here. We're gonna go ahead and hit bake. And we need to make this hot and spicy. Oh, wow. Oh, 525 is as hot as it goes. We're gonna go 525, which is basically broil. We're getting hot and nasty in here. Can I just tell you that I love my cast iron pan? We got it at TJ Maxx, which I'm not a fan of TJ Maxx because numerous reasons. I'm not a fan of TJ Maxx, but this Lodge cast iron pan for 15 bucks? Yeah, it is bitchin'. Add the chicken in a single layer and sear until it is well browned on both sides. Can I just tell you that anything searing in butter and olive oil smells delicious with salt and pepper? That's all. Now back to your regularly scheduled program. All right, so now in the same pan, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add this garlic. Woo, that's splashing up a little hot. Look at this roasted garlic and red pepper. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that, that's sexy. All right, let's turn the heat down. We're making our own tomato sauce, all right? Remember those big basil leaves that I was like, oh, I'm not gonna cut these. I just wanna have those big basil leaves. Boom, 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 boom. Oh no. Get it. That's fresh giant basil leaves getting stirred in with that crushed red pepper, with that tomato, with that garlic, with that butter, with that olive oil, with that chicken guts. Oh no, 525 broil oven ready. So now we're gonna return the chicken to the cast iron. Don't overlap it, just overlap it as little as possible. And then each one we're gonna top with some mozzarella, some pepperoni. So let's go. In with the chicken. Look at that, look at that. All right, here comes the fun part / unhealthy part. It's low-fat mozzarella, all right? So, boom, boom, boom. Look at those. Those are I got pre-sliced ones. Hold on, I'm gonna show you guys. Ooh, low-fat mozzarella, all right? What is a pizza without, go ahead, speak on it. What is a pizza without pepperonis? Well, we got like 3 more minutes in there, so I'll just talk during that 3 minutes. I want to thank you for watching the YouTube if you made it to this far. Again, this is a hobby of mine. I'm a cop. I'm not a chef. So I'm trying to eat healthy. I've lost some weight. I'm trying to keep it off. We're just having fun. I don't know what I'm doing. I watch YouTube videos, I get ideas, I try and put it together myself. I try and eat, you know, somewhat low carb, high protein, not a lot of processed stuff. I try and eat a lot of fresh stuff. We try and cook a lot of stuff. So here we go, let's take it out of the oven. Literally like 4 minutes. Look at this. Oh, good Lord, it's hot. All right, so let's try not to burn our hand. Yep, literally like 4 minutes, like I said. Look at all of that. That's crazy. All right, scroll into final portrait photo now. Well, if you made it this far, it's the end of the video. You saw how it turned out. It tastes delicious. It's awesome. Chicken, homemade tomato sauce, basil, mozzarella, pepperoni, garlic, salt, pepper. You know, it's easy and it's good. It's low carb. It's fairly healthy. So thank you for watching. Really appreciate it. And subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment. Let me know. I'll answer back all the comments. Thank you for watching.